Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and in this one I'm gonna take your description of a song and turn it into an actual song. So basically I asked you to describe a song with your words in a comment, and now I'm gonna turn your words into an actual song. So yeah, I had this idea like a while ago, but finally I decided to try it. So there's a lot of comments here and I'm gonna go through some of them and try to make your ideas into a song. So let's get started with the first one, but before we do, I just want to mention the Big Fat Christmas Bundle is still on sale even this year, so check it out, link below in the description. And if you get it right now, it's on a huge sale, and also if you get it right now, you'll get a discount on my upcoming sample pack, which will be huge. So check it out, Big Fat Christmas Bundle. It pretty much has all the styles of music in one pack. Check it out and let's get started with the video. I've been reading through some comments and I decided to start with this one. Here is the story. It's pretty much like he told a little story and I'm gonna turn that story into a song. Makes sense? Let's see. So the story is, you are a kid, you're in a candy life, everything is candy, it's all good, but suddenly one time the sun doesn't come up, it's dark, you wanna call your mom or dad, you realize they are not there and you wonder why. You're scared. So you are all alone in this world of candy, you look at the horizon, you see the light, small light, but you see something come closer and closer and closer and it's right in front of you. You don't know what it is yet till you look up and see. So basically it's like his little story and I have to somehow transfer that into a song. So when I was reading this, I was thinking like Future Bounce, because it's sort of candy, sort of reminds me of Future Bounce. So I'm gonna start with that and then it's gonna get dark somehow. So yeah, let's get started with the first idea and then I'm gonna do some more. So I want to do this fairly quickly. Okay, I'm gonna get started with the drums and I'm gonna use Kashmir Spec. I always find the right drums there. So I'm gonna do something like bouncy. So start with the drums. Excellent. Let's add a hi-hat. So now, to create this feeling, like bouncy feeling and candy life, I'm gonna use some offbeat chords, but they gotta be pretty happy. Okay, these seem pretty happy. Let's try a different sound though. Now let's do the bass. Okay, let's lower the whole thing like a few. 1, 2, 3. This as well. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I have an idea. Is this candy enough? I don't know. Let me actually enable swing as well. That's actually sick. It's bad, but it's good. So yeah, let's start with the melody as well. Let's try a pluck instead. Okay, I think this is pretty bouncy and candy-like. It's a nice life with candy so far. Let's add a piano as well for these chords. Okay, that's sounding pretty good, and of course, I'm making this for fun, so I'm not like putting all my effort into it, but I'm trying to make something work. So now let's add some exhausts, like white noise and stuff. Maybe like percussion. Okay, so this is our happy candy life, and let's rename it and color it as well. It's gonna be happy colors. Yeah! And we're gonna add a little bit more effects. I'm thinking I have actually an idea. And that's our candy life. Okay, now let's mess this life up, because now comes the sad part. But how am I gonna do it? Okay, I have an idea. Maybe it's not gonna work, but here's an idea how to transition to this sad part of life. It's gonna be a bit crazy. Okay, so life is candy, and then one day the sun doesn't come up. So okay, we need to like make it really confusing, you know, like glitches. But we also need hope. Now we're gonna build the melody of hope. You see a light in the distance, so that will be the hope. Jeez, this is complicated. So now we're doing the arpeggio. Okay, we are building it up. It's happening. The hope is back. What else can we add? I'm working on this for like an hour now. Let's change the theme here. Okay, that is building up that hope, and I think that sounds pretty nice. And one thing I want to do, since we are still in Candyland here, even though it's said Candyland, we are still in there, so I want to include some of these. Okay, maybe like lower them and put like a huge amount of reverb on them. The hope starts to build up. Okay, last thing I want to do is add this. record it. And then we're gonna reverse it. And that's the last light of hope right there. And yeah, with that, I think we are done with this. It took me a while, not gonna lie. It took me almost 2 hours. Okay, and this will be all I can do today because it took way longer than I expected. But I'll try to do some more of these ideas from you, hopefully some easier ones. And you know, comment them down below and I'll do them. So here it is, from the words he described to a song. Let's see and let me know how I did. And hey guys, that's it for this video. I think this part is great, but these are, you know, need more mixing and adjustments. Let me know what you think. Comment down below if you want to see me do more of these videos where you write a comment about how the song should sound or what it should be about, and then I try to make that song. I think it's a lot of fun. It kind of gives me a new way to be creative, so definitely looking forward to that. Other than that, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.